So now we can see that there are various functionality in the Postman. Okay, there is a collections, there is APIs, there is an environment, there is a mock server monitoring flows and history. Okay, the collection, we are going to store all our, actually the user story, positive testing, negative testing. You see this? Even though they named the collection, remember I told you they are using the MongoDB approach, because in the MongoDB you saw the collection, because they call it collection. You can call the API test plan actually. The name we will be giving on our tool, it will be API test plan, but they call collection. So create a collection, okay? Create a collection. Now you say, give the name, the seller portal admin login. Oh, you want to go, okay, buyer portal, sorry. Buyer portal user sign up, she's right. So we are going to see this. Exactly, see the, it has to be same, because we have to build the traceability matrix. Remember that, very important. Buyer portal, right? User sign up. But there is actually the user story exists. You guys need to, this is your action item. You guys need to ask who? Product owner, not me. Ask her Farhana. They wrote all the user story. In the beginning, before the buyer, user story number has to be there. Why? Because so that you can remember what is the user story for this API, so that you can track after 2 months, after 3 months. So make sure your user story in the front. So give the user, just type user story ABC. Sorry, user story the 1, 2, 3. You see that? So that's how it has to be. Now this, of course, now the test engineer start work their mechanism now. Now they start disciplining. Before I create the testing, actually create a positive folder, negative test folder. See, I'm actually designing. I'm not selling you what the Postman does. Okay, create a folder, 3 dot, create the positive testing, or you just say the positive. Yep, so we are going to say positive. Yeah, it is recorded. Yep, and then negative, then I'm going to stop this, okay? Negative, then we are done. Good.